have, you have to actually hold it. Got movements between your legs?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm going to put your head a little further. There you go. That's a lot more relaxed. There you go. Oh, look at great. Unlock your knees. Unlock. There you go. That's much more relaxed. There you go.
That's right. And then you grab it.
Reach underneath it like that. Just grab that bar underneath. Put that arm all the way
A little higher with your feet.
Yeah,
See that
this
orange
one.
tape?
Okay.
Okay.
You alright?
Pretty good. Relax your knees and relax your shoulders.
You did better than us, Kira. Just hit every wall.
I did not say that. But the longer your legs stick out over the coop and
Hey kid, you did good. You did better than me, Mom.
right. That's why you have to scoot like in the really.
When my buddy's on the metal.
She did better than you did. Better than I did. I hit right into that wall. Yeah, yeah.
I missed it.
I know you did. You rode it right. Oh, see, you're good. Yeah, hit the wall.
Who was that? Who was that?
Wow,
last
that was
man?
way late.
I thought maybe it was Carl, but I didn't know.
I put it on the fast speed.
That was Kiana.
Pretty clean run. Gonna make it all the way to the end. No, the wall kiss. Made it. All right. Yeah, that's Carl's second one. He did better that time. He figured it out. 2 wall kisses is all he had. 3.
Go left. Or to the right.
You get in that wall, it's hard to get off of it.
The whole track is tipped right here.
I know. It's part of the steering you got to do. That's the first time we came, that's as far as I made it about where she is now.